questions tonight about Oklahoma's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. A newly released document on August 16th shows the White House Coronavirus Task Force suggested that Oklahoma take stricter measures to try and prevent further spread of the virus. 2 Works For You investigator Brady Halbleib joins us live in Broken Arrow with more on this. Brady?
Well, Broken Arrow has among the highest cases within a county, and they're also a county without a mask mandate. And now some are worried that the state isn't taking the federal suggestions seriously.
I think we keep our frustration aimed squarely at holding our elected officials and our institutions accountable.
According to the report, Oklahoma is in the highest risk category for COVID-19. That means there are at least 100 positive cases per 100,000 people, combined with a positivity rate above 10%. There are 5 counties recently added to the red zone, Tulsa being one of them.
There's been a disconnect and confusing messaging throughout this pandemic.
April Brooks runs a Facebook group for engaged citizens. She sees the report as a sign of disconnect between state and government guidance.
Personal responsibility at the individual level can't fix a global pandemic. We need leadership that is consistent, clear, and concise.
The federal recommendation for those counties is to wear face coverings at all times, limit social gatherings to 10 people or less, and even shut down bars and restaurants. However, the state's Open Up and Recover Safely plan says bars and restaurants can open. Meanwhile, face mask mandates change from county to county.
We've heard from leaders across the state now that they are very frustrated that information that is critical to making decisions for their constituents is not getting to them.
In a statement, Tulsa Mayor G.T. Bynum says, according to our local data, we are seeing outbreaks linked to residential high-risk facilities and group gatherings at weddings, funerals, camps, and conferences, not in our bars or restaurants. Since the beginning of the pandemic, Tulsa would use local data to guide our response. For Brooks, it's about being transparent and making decisions from data. Now, we've reached out to the governor's office as well as the state and local health department, but we have yet to hear back from them. In Broken Arrow, Brady Halbleib, 2 Works For You.